Homicides burned and wolfmen fell, dressed in drag for homicide. They entered, played sanctuary, neath a holy stone they hide. They're breaking names and crosses, with spastics really reflection. Nuns run bold through Vatican halls, threatening, pleading, and acting concession. Everybody's waiting on Main Street, from drinking unholy blood. Sticker smiles sweet, he's gonna breathe deep, his ankles can't get mud. I said, hey, got a man, that's quicksand. That's quicksand, that ain't mud. Have you thrown your senses to the war? Or did you lose them in the flood? That pure American brother, the light and empty face. Racist Sundays in Jersey, and a Chevy stock Savoy. He rides alone, head from the side, he's got bound for glory. In red, white, and blue flash paint. He leans on the hook, telling racist stories. The kids call him Jimmy the Saint. Loaded a blasting point. He rides head first into a hurricane and disappears into a point. Till there's nothing left but blood where the body fell. Nothing left that you could sell. Just junk all across the horizon. A real highwayman's forward. Man, that ain't our last blood. I wonder we were standing when he hit that store, or was he just lost on the floor? Eighth Avenue sailors in satin shirts, whisper in the air. Some scarecrow coronation of the ring. She's putting on me still. And Bronx's best apostle stands with his hand on his own hardware. Everything stops, you hear 5 quick shots. The cops come up for it. Now the wind's bang gang from uptown. They're shooting up the street. Cat from the bar starts letting loose, but gets pulled right off his feet. Some kid comes bouncing around the corner, but a cop puts him right away. He lays on the street, holding his legs, screaming something Spanish, still breathing when I walked in. Somebody said, hey man, did you see that? His body hit the street in such a beautiful dark. I wonder what that dude was saying. Or was he just lost in the flood? Hey man, did you see that? Those poor cats were sure messed up. I wonder what they were getting into. Or were they just lost in the flood?